So in this video talks about the sun and how there's a misconception that the sun is a middle-sized star, which is true, but the video says that it's actually in the top 10% of stars in our galaxy based off of the size. And it's made out of mostly hydrogen gas, and it is 1.4 million kilometers across, which is over 100 suns. And the atmospheric pressure is a lot more, 260 billion times more pressure than the Earth. And all this pressure, like literally all this pressure on its core causes protons that have been stripped from their electrons to begin to fuse. And this will actually turn hydrogen into helium, which I find pretty cool. And yeah, but all this process takes energy, and a lot of the thermal energy in the process is released, and that's actually what we feel outside, the heat, which is the thermal energy released from this process happening. And yeah, with this process, when certain things happen in the situation is at hand, the buildup of energy will be released in what's called a solar flare, which releases lots of energy, billions and billions and billions of miles away from the sun in all different directions. And a step up from that is a CME, which is like a solar flare times 10. In the video, it said that in 2012 there was a CME released by the sun, but it was released in a different direction away from the Earth. And in the video, it also said that an event like that could cripple our society because it would fry all our satellites and things like that in orbit of Earth. It would cause us to lose access to our phones, internet, and everything that our society is built around. So if something like that happened, I feel like we wouldn't be at the age we are in today. And we would have had to take a few steps back just to try and to get to move forward again, which I find really interesting. How something we rely on every day for light and power and heat can actually destroy us even easier than it will, help us. And I just find that very interesting.